As you travel through Wisconsin, there are also many iconic landmarks that are also on the local 139ers resume.
You look at any major landmark throughout the state, the operating engineers most likely had a hand in it.
To name a few, Lambeau Field, home of the Green Bay Packers, considered the crown jewel of classic NFL stadiums. The Milwaukee County War Memorial Center, a designated Milwaukee landmark and dedicated to our veterans. Our state capitol. The present capitol in Madison was built back in 1917, with many renovations and restoration projects since. Camp Randall, also built in 1917, home of the Wisconsin Badgers, and also the oldest stadium in the Big Ten Conference.
Typically, we're the first ones on the job. We come in and we'll dig the footings, drive the piling, put in piers, whatever is gonna be underneath that building, we come in and do. Once that's it, then our cranes come in and they hoist all the material up as the structure begins to build. They're proud of their work, they're proud of their skill, they're proud of the craft, and more than anything, we're proud of our training. We have one of the finest training centers in North America. That includes the United States and Canada. And it's not just the facility itself, but it's also the people that we have instructing up there.
We're one of the largest single apprenticeship programs in the state of Wisconsin. Over 1,000 young men and women working for a lot of different great contractors in the state of Wisconsin. So
what we'll do is take them into the classroom first, tell them what to expect, what they're going into. Then we take them to the simulator so they get a feel of when it's going around you, what's happening. Then we put them on the actual machine.
The simulator will just help with hand-eye coordination, just give me a little more stability, especially for when I'm out in the field. This is just about as close as you can get to actually being in the machine itself. I just wanted something more and a lot more that I could be proud of. So I kind of always wanted to work in the construction field. I'm really proud of myself making a career with the operating engineers. I'm a second-year apprentice at 36 years old. So it just proves to you that it's never too late in life to try. I want to be confident, especially when safety is at stake. It's really important for simulators like this, or even anything that we can learn here at school. It's your turn.
Okay, let's see. Let's see how this goes.
Right hand boom up. So right hand back. Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Left hand stick towards you, so pull back. Right over the top of there.
Now
You
dump
should be
it.
a lot closer.
All right, here
Yep.
we go. I got it
Look
in the
at
truck,
that.
guys. If they were timing, the time was slow. Well, one of the nice things about the training center is you actually get to hop into a seat. So let's see how this goes, okay?
take your right hand and go to the right, and that's going to dump that load out.
Okay.
There, we got our first load of dirt for
You
today.
did it! Oh my gosh, cool.
Keep going, keep going. Right hand back. Take your left hand and swing my way.
Do I gotta put it out at all?
Nope, you're good there.
Here it goes. Get ready for the dump. We're taking Discover Wisconsin to new heights. Here we go. I know they're gonna tell me I have to stop at some point, but I'm not gonna lie, this is a lot of fun. You know, I have to say, I was very intimidated getting in here, especially because I know that they go through a lot more hours of training to get to this point, and safety is first, but I like that I'm in this controlled setting here with people here to make sure that I'm doing it safely. And it's a lot of fun, and it is very similar to the simulator, so you can kind of see the steps that they go through in the education process and then how beneficial this really is.